YouTube, this Dive Fish. Just pondering, some of the pictures of the LEM as landing on the moon shows that there's zero regolith, dust, or otherwise on the landing gear of the craft itself. Also, a conspicuous absence of a blast hole below the LEM as it landed on the moon. So, do I believe that the craft did land on the moon? Yes. The question is, phenomenologically, how does that happen without certain things occurring? So, if we take a simple volatile burn and apply it to a substrate, namely pumice and aluminum oxide, you'll see the net effect of what occurs physically in this type of scenario. So here we go. So you see there at the very minimum, I would assume some form of discoloration and or cratering. Now, the question is there some way to land on the moon or otherwise that would not perhaps cause a cratering type effect? So, taking the same said aluminum oxide, we're going to expose this. Let's assume that the LEM had AC inverters on board, which it did. 400 hertz AC inverters, for that matter. Now, batteries and fuel cells produce DC current. The question is, as acknowledged by NASA, there was oversized AC inverters to the tune of 400 hertz that were oversized for the mission to the moon. So the question is, why would they have oversized anything on board a craft that was going ostensibly to the moon, where efficiency and making sure everything is exactly calculated, what it was necessary or otherwise? So the functionality of the AC field may be something that's worth really exploring. And this is what I'm trying to suss out. Is it possible for a landing gear on the LEM to land without any form of blast interference and or regolith dust on the landing gear? So what I've done is I've created a very, very small analogy of a landing gear. Piece of stainless steel with a cupped washer, piece of graphite foam that acts ostensibly as if it were the probe that was landing on the moon prior to the exact landing gear itself touching. And we shall see what type of dust phenomenology occurs when this is imparted to the regolith with a high voltage AC system around it. Are we going to see dust accumulation on the landing gear or not? Let's find out. So here we go. Activating system, pardon me, I have to shut it off because I just lost the probe. Give me one moment to put it back on. Here we go. Okay, activating system again. Here we go. See the dust flying radially, just as if you see on the moon landing videos? And there's a conspicuous absence of any form of regolith on the landing gear itself. You're still seeing the radial fields without any appreciable buildup. So, for what it's worth, I would argue that perhaps, just perhaps, the AC inverters on the LEM were effectual in augmenting landing phenomenology that we aren't really covering and or even discussing. So for what it's worth, I put this out there for the sake of asking everyone to acknowledge the fact that what we did, I believe, is very much real. How they did it is yet to be completely sussed out in my mind. Thanks for watching. All thoughts welcome. Have a great night.
is on. Fourth stage, engine arm to ASCENT. 99 Pro. Good lift off, automatic. Fourth stage, push. Engine arm is ASCENT. Okay, I'm going to get the Pro. 99, proceeded, 3, 2, 1, ignition. Right away, Houston. Brakes are good. Ag